Guys, welcome back to No Obi Uncut. This video is just particularly how I lost 29.5 kg in less than 3 months. The complete guide to fast and healthy weight loss. Are you struggling with weight loss and feel it's an impossible journey? I was there, okay? I was in the same place, weighing 93 kg and feeling hopeless. Not hopeless literally, but I was tired. When I weighed 93 kg, I felt like I was trapped in my own body. I lacked energy, felt uncomfortable in my skin, and I struggled with self-confidence. Not self-confidence literally, but self-confidence in the part that the clothes I wear that I feel sexy in, I stopped feeling sexy inside those clothes. It's annoying. After trying countless diets and workouts, I started to take control of myself. I started to take control and commit to a structured plan that ultimately helped me shed 29.5 kg under 3 months. And when I said this diet really helped me, it was the kind of diet that I love. See guys, if you want to venture into losing huge amount of weight, you have to deal with the kind of food you like to eat. If you're an African, treat to those side. If you're American, treat to those side. You just treat to your local dishes. Treat to your local dishes. That will kind of inspire you more to continue on the journey. This guide is a complete breakdown of how I did it, focusing on the diet. I didn't really do exercise, but mindset played a role, and the habits that helped me to achieve my weight loss goal. Why losing 29.5 kg in such a short time may sound extreme, the method I used was sustainable and healthy. Here is everything you need to know about how I transformed my body from this to this. And I'm going to be breaking down this video in a possible way that you understand and get exact results that I did get, and how you can do it too. I'm going to be breaking down this video into different sections. One, how I was able to lose the 29.5 kg. Two, the kind of exercise I did that also helped me and aid to this journey, even though I didn't exercise much, but I'm going to be talking about the exercise that I did. 3, mindset and motivation. That is how to stay consistent. 4, importance of rest and recovery. So now let us dive into the step 1, which is the diet. What I ate to lose 29.5 kg. Calorie deficit played a key role. The foundation of any weight loss plan is to create a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. I calculated my daily calorie needs using calculator and aimed to eat around 500 to 1000 calories or less I burned each day. This helped me to lose between 1 to 1.5 kg per week. Yeah, sometimes I lose 2 kg as well. And what I ate carbohydrates. Let me give you instances on some pictures here of what I ate. I ate rice. I don't have a boring diet. I ate rice. I ate vegetable like okra soup, cauliflower or spinach, green peas. I ate yam. I ate eggs and others. I'm going to be showing you guys pictures here of how some of the food I ate. The days I eat vegetable like okra soup, sometimes I lick it that way, and other times I could just use one fist of and maybe one hand of carbohydrate. It could be gari, it could be fufu, anything you want to eat, but just one hand. You can't literally take away carbohydrates in all your meal because carbohydrates gives you strength to keep going. So you cannot just say you're not going to eat carbohydrates, you're going to lose energy, okay? So I did high protein, low carb diet. Protein was essential in preserving my muscle mass while promoting fat loss. I ate lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, and supplemented it with plant-based protein sources like lentil and green peas, and sometimes almond milk, oatmeal, and others. Okay, I ate healthy fats as well. Fats which included fats like avocado, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish in moderation, as they help to satiate me and keep me full longer. I also ate complex carbs. I put out most processed carbs and focused on whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, vegetables for fiber and nutrients. Limiting my sugars and refined carbs was key to avoiding cravings and keeping my energy level stable as well. I ate plenty of vegetables and fruits. This provided essential vitamins, fiber, antioxidants while being low in calories. I made sure half of my plate was filled with vegetable at every meal. I also drank like 3 liters of water, which is like very important to help you, your weight loss journey. Okay, hydration helps to boost metabolism, curbs hunger, and flushes out toxins from your body. I'm going to give you meal examples here. Like breakfast, you can do some scrambled egg with spinach and avocado. Snack, you can do some Greek yogurt with shea seed. Lunch, you can do some grilled chicken with quinine or steamed broccoli. Snack, you can do like handful of almond. And dinner, you can do like baked almonds with mixed green salads and olive oil dressing. That could be, just try this meal. You can use this meal I gave you now for like 5 days. You also achieve a very wonderful goal. 2, exercise. I didn't really exercise much. I was doing skipping sometimes, maybe 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. And other days, I follow up Glow with Joe on YouTube. And there's this other Chinese popular girl I usually follow as well. I've forgotten her name right now. If I remember it, I'll put it on the screen, okay? Exercising played a significant role. No matter I did very little, but that little I did also helped. 3, mindset and motivation. How to stay consistent. One of the hardest parts was losing weight is staying motivated and consistent. Here's how I kept myself on track. 1, I did set a realistic goal. Instead of aiming to lose 29.5 kg from the start, I set small achievable goals like losing 2 to 3 kg per week, and celebrating these small victories kept me motivated and committed to the process. Also, tracking progress did help me. I tracked everything from my meal and my workout to my weight and body movement using my apps, or a simple journal can help you visualize your progress, and seeing how far you have come is a huge motivator to keep you going. Staying accountable. I shared my journey with close friends and family, those that I felt I could be discussing it with, that keep encouraging me or something like that. Knowing that they were able and aware of my goal made me feel more accountable. You get, I didn't want to let them down. You can also join online communities or hire a coach for extra support if you feel that you can't deal with it alone. Overcoming setback. It's important to remember that weight loss is not always linear. There were weeks when I didn't lose any weight or even gained a little, but I didn't let that discourage me. Do you get? I focus on long-term success and remind myself that consistent is the key. So don't keep checking and saying that, oh, I didn't get the goal I wanted this week and I'm no longer interested. Don't keep doing that, okay? So number 4, the importance of rest and recovery. I cannot overemphasize that. While diet and exercise are critical, rest and recovery are equally important. Sleep, maybe it's making noise. Sleep plays a vital role in weight loss as it regulates hunger and hormones and help the body repair and recover from workouts. So if you're not working out that much, and if you know that you don't have enough sleep, or if you know that waking up can make you consume a lot, just try to go to bed early. And when you're on this journey, sleeping at least 8 hours or 7 hours is very important. I know my situation, I have a baby, right? And even though I tried that we go to sleep early in the day, especially when you feel like you're hungry, just try to sleep early. It's going to help, okay? So speaking of sleeping, I aimed for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can increase cravings and reduce your body ability to burn fat. That is the facts, period. When you're awake, you get more hungry. When you sleep, you're less hungry. Yeah. Rest days are incorporated at least 1 full rest day per week. This allowed my muscles to recover and grow, preventing burnout and injuries. Trust me, it's not as easy as I said. Sometimes I don't even get to have that rest day. But this is what it is, okay? But even if you don't get that rest day, 1 full whole rest day every time, you can get it every other day. It's still okay, okay? The most important thing is that you're focused on consistency and being in calorie deficit, that is reducing the calories. Remember, the key to this is more sugar, more fat. So I'll just say in conclusion, you can achieve your weight loss goal. Yeah, losing 29.5 kg in less than 3 months was an incredible journey for me, but it wasn't easy. It required dedication, discipline, and a balanced approach to diet, exercise, and mindset and discipline. I cannot overemphasize that, because one thing is to be single and being on diet, and the other thing is to be married with kids and being on diet. Trust me, it's more difficult when you're married with kids and also on diet, because that is where the discipline, consistency comes in. Because you're to make the food, you're going to dish to your husband and the kids. Sometimes you end up feeding the kids, but you're not even going to eat it. And you know the most annoying part, they're beside you eating this and making different noises like, this food is so sweet, but you that made the food is eating vegetable and others. That is why consistency and looking at the goal of that thing you want, of that body you want, that is what is going to help you going. And I think that helped me going, what I was always telling myself, that these foods I'm craving for are always there forever in the nest. Whenever I get to that shape I want, I go back to my food. I keep telling myself that as well. It was also an encouragement. However, the results were well worth the efforts. Trust me, if you're looking to transform your body and life, remember that it is all about consistency and patience. Start with small achievement goals, stay focused on the process, and don't give up when you see don't give up when you think the result seems slow. Okay, the tips and strategies I have shared here are not quick fixes, okay, but sustainable methods for long-term health and weight management. Whether you're looking to lose a few kilograms or you're looking to make a major lifestyle change, the key is to find a plan that works for you and stick with it. You have got this, okay?